Okay, so today's another fidget trading day. I got my mask in my bag, so let's go. Oh, we're here. Okay, let's close the door. Put my stuff down. Because it's my own personal room, I don't have to wear my mask. Let's get all set up. Okay, let's sign in. Let's send them good morning. And let's get started. First, just taking my mask. Open this up. And let's try to trade in my Fidget I got. Now we wait. Oh, okay, so they added one squishy and one monkey. I'm going to tell them to add. Okay, so they added a mango squishy and a fidget spin. I think that trade is a little bit fair, so I'm going to accept. Oh, yes, they accepted. These inside my bag. Let's try to trade my water snake. That is taking up the whole thing. Now let's wait. Oh, someone added a wacky track, a puzzle ball, and a marble. Sorry to say this, but part 2 is coming.
Guys, someone's going to get traded. Who do you think's going to get traded today? It's not going to be me. She loves me. She uses me for all her TikTok. Not going to be me. She uses me for all her stress. 100% not going to be me. She loves me. Well, I think Poppet's going to get traded. Well, Bike Chain, I think you're going to get traded. She never uses you. Yeah, she never uses you. True. Oh, will you guys all shut up? Look, she's coming. Who am I going to trade today? Probably Bike Chain. I never use this. Trading Bike Chain. Going once, going twice. Me. I'll trade a marble mesh. Seems fair. Here you go. Okay, here you go. Yes, I've got a marble mesh. I'm going to add it to my collection. Oh, finally, Bike Chain's gone. Hi, marble mesh. Hi, how are you all? Good. Spectacular. Amazing. You're going to be so much better than Bike Chain. Yeah. Oh, thanks.
Hi guys, my sister's boyfriend's coming over and he wants to play with my fidget toys. He is 4, guys. So I'm going to be saying what he could play with and what he can't. This is a yes pile. This is a no pile. Let's go. Yes. Don't really care about it. No. If he breaks that, I'll be in a lot of trouble. Yes. Like, it's not in pattern anymore, so he could play with that. No, he could choke on them. No to the slime. He could get it on my carpet. No to this because it's so pointy. Yes, even though it's my favorite, you can't break it because it does come apart, so I could just always put it back together. Yes to these. I have a lot of them, and he can't choke on them or anything. Yes to this, and there's no way he could break it, but if he does, it's easy to make another one. No, because they're easy to rip. Yes.